Locate the gas locker on the outside of the vehicle just behind the passenger door. Using the habitation key, unlock the gas locker to access the gas bottles. The gas is turned on by rotating the brass valve on top of the bottle in an anti-clockwise direction. You can leave the gas on the whole time you are pitched. Rotate the valve in a clockwise direction to turn the gas off. Should the gas run out, you'll need to change over the bottles. Ensure the gas is turned off. Undo the coupling, rotating in a clockwise direction, the opposite way to a regular thread, and remove. Install the new bottle by tightening the coupling in an anti-clockwise direction. You must always make sure that the gas has been turned off before driving the motorhome.